Mike here, May 27th, 2026. You're looking at a stack of buckwheat pancakes, and they're my favorite. And the secret is how to make them moist, okay? Typically, they do it 50-50, at the diner, and oh boy, that's dry. You can see how much fruit is in that mix. And in the pan, we got a lot of fruit. And fruit is going to keep that pancake super moist. Plus the ratio I use is 70-30, okay? 30% buckwheat and 70% pancake mix. You can make your own mix, or you could, substitute in the old Aunt Jemima for that 70%. But you're looking at a healthy pancake. It's got olive oil in it, cinnamon, of course the fruit. Fruit makes up 40% at least of this pancake, okay? I do a 50-50. 5 cups of the mixes, okay, at the 70-30. And then I go with 5 cups of fruit. And of course, it's not all smashed and compacted. Okay, so you got air pockets. So it's maybe the equivalent of 4 cups of fruit. But it's a very tasty pancake. Again, 70-30 on the no more, because it's going to start getting dry, okay? And then so you go 70-30. You got some olive oil to throw in there. I throw in some cinnamon. That's optional, of course. And then of course your fruit. It's a very, very healthy pancake. I think buckwheat is considered a superfood. I mean, it really is a good grain to have in your diet. So I hope you've enjoyed this short piece. It's easy to make, and once you make a bunch of them, I make a bunch because I have a difficult time cooking meals, okay? So, I prepare all my fruit the day before, the next day, and the mix, of course. So I got the mix and the fruit ready. Maybe the following morning I will cook up a bunch of pancakes and keep them in the refrigerator, and you're good for maybe 4 or 5 days. You can eat some anytime you feel like. They're a healthy thing, okay? Yeah, I do add some Kerry butter on occasions. A little butter, and of course, the maple syrup is key. I see in their bottles. I see bottles being sold of maple syrup in places. It's water, sugar, and caramel color, okay? I mean, it's caramel color, that's it. And you're like, really? Or, of course, you get the corn syrup, all right? I mean, so if you're going to go with pancakes, you definitely, if you're going to make them, you got to go with natural maple syrup. I mean, 100% pure, okay? No other way to go. So you're putting that on top of this. This is an extremely decadent but healthy type of a breakfast you could have, or anytime actually. I eat them anytime.